So you need to take out two screws from here and here. Then you can take out the black bolts. And come have a look of the cable. First, here is white cable. White cable to the battery, and from the battery follow red, black. Test if any cable is loose. Red, black, no loose, no loose, no loose. And check the red one. Okay, here is the power switch. Check if loose. Okay, no loose. Follow here. Check if loose, no loose. Okay. And check the charger cable also. It's orange. If loose of this cable. Okay, no loose. That's it.